Got some chicken wings. Just gonna pat them dry. Yeah, I cleaned them already. Just patting them dry. I'm gonna add some mustard and some avocado oil. Yep, I am. Some buttery steakhouse. Yeah. Miss Deb said, get some of this. I got some. Cooking with Miss Deb. Garlic and herb seasoning. Because your girl want her some garlic. Some black pepper. Why not? Why not? Thyme, because I love thyme with chicken. That's just me. That's just me. Extra. Paprika for some color. Yeah. I just want to get it all mixed up. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? Want to make sure it's all coated. Yeah, we getting there. We getting there. I think I'm gonna put these in the air fryer today. I think. Okay, we coated. We coated. Chicken seasoned up. I had some Mostaccioli in the deep freezer. Took it out. Just gonna, you know, warm it up. Add a little Prego to the bottom. I don't got that much. Just a little bit. Let me just get it all the way around. Add in the Mostaccioli. Cheese. More cheese. I got some Parmesan cheese too. So that was mozzarella. I'm gonna add some Parmesan. Kind of mix it up a little bit. Got my little spoon. Just mixing it up a little bit. With some cheese throughout. I must have made a big pan of this. To have this much. Yeah, I did. No, I didn't. I don't know. I think I did a half a pan. But that's not enough. Cheese. Parmesan. Cheese. I'm going to sprinkle some basil on top. And some Italian seasoning. Okay. I got a little more. Trying to get it out of there. Just on top. It's going in the oven. I'll see what it do. Mostaccioli is doing what it do. Spray this. Let's add these little wings in. Slowly but surely. I'm going to use both baskets. Okay. Those in there. Put some in the other one. Oh, and one more. Okay. Spread out. These some big wings. 300, 390. Yeah, both going. I'm still trying to figure this thing out. This is just some Great Northern beans I had in the deep freezer. Also took them out, warm them up, add a little more seasoning to them. Just some garlic, some black pepper. Yep. I might not cook no cornbread. That's it. Let's check it out. Okay. It's been 20 minutes. I flipped them halfway. See what that look like. I don't know if I'm gonna put no sauce on them. I might just keep some simple wings. Check these out over here. Okay, let's see y'all. Doing what it do. Yeah, look good to me. Crispy, crispy chicken wings. Crispy chicken wings. Right out the air fryer. I just took out the Mostaccioli. See what it do. Okay, I see the pull. Okay, okay. The beans are ready. Nothing to it. Just warmed them up. Mostaccioli, leftover. Great Northern beans. And some chicken wings that was in the, I cooked in the air fryer. Look, crispy, crispy. Crispy, crispy. The beans. The beans. And let's see the pull here. Oh, look at that, look at that, look at that. Get on back in place. Get in place. All right.